In this video, we are going to discuss about ITIL processes and the positions, that means the teams responsible for each and every phase here. So, if we see here that the service strategy has three processes: demand management, service portfolio management and financial management. So, while designing these processes, the background work service strategy team will collaborate with service level management and client management team to get the design of the service second phase service design. So, here you can see that service catalog management, availability management, capacity management, supplier management, information security management and service continuity management. These processes are designed based on the service strategies by collaborating with the client management. So, it can be adopted or it can be amended, that means adopted by the requirement of the client here. So, coming to service transition, these are all processes which needs to be performed in the transition phase. So, after this transition phase, when we go with operation phase, again here the client management and the service level management comes into picture, so that the four functions: service desk, technical management, IT operations management, application management functions are performed, and here the incident management, event management and request fulfillment management, access management, problem management processes are aligned in the same path by collaborating with the service level management and client level management here. So, in the last phase, the client level management will be performing every month the 7-step improvement process, so that the service is delivered to their own clients in a proper way, so that the continual service improvement happens in the 5th phase.